Welcome to Job Creations. Latest job update is from Amazon. Amazon is hiring for gaming specialist in Hyderabad and Varangal locations. Freshers and experience up to 5 years candidate can apply for these positions. Your salary will be up to 3,75,000 per annum. Before going into details, please subscribe to channel. Please like and share our videos. Amazon is hiring for gaming specialist positions in Hyderabad and Warangal locations. Your roles and responsibilities for this position: contact support for a wide range of gaming use cases through phone, chat, email, and other channels, moderation of game forums on both first and third party platforms, identification of recurring issues, and contact drivers during alpha, beta, and GA phases, escalation of critical ongoing issues, and player trust and safety concerns. Skills required for these positions: please mention these skills in the resume so that your resume gets shortlisted. Proven gaming experience: if you're having any experience, you should mention the experience in the gaming field. If you're having that, then with an extensive background in MMORPGs and other online gaming genres across multiple gaming platforms. Proven knowledge of gaming culture and in-depth knowledge of gaming hardware, platforms, and networking technologies is required. A familiarity with multiple gaming platforms is required, and an ability to understand complex technical information in order to properly troubleshoot customer issues is critical. A history of excellent customer service skills is required, including outstanding interpersonal skills and conflict resolution skills. Writing skills are must, and bonus points if you can write well in multiple languages. Basic qualifications required for these positions, and they have here highlighted that please make sure to specify this in the resume. So you have to make sure that you should highlight these aspects in the resume that you are going to submit to this particular opening, so that your resume gets shortlisted. And the qualifications are: gaming background, excellent English communication skills with good verbal and written skills, customer obsession, detailed understanding of gaming hardware and platforms, strong PC proficiency with an ability to perform diagnostic and network troubleshooting processes. Technical requirements are mandatory, and they are: you should have a dedicated high speed internet, and you should have another means of communication, whether it is a landline or an extra mobile number, and this will be for only emergency use only. Preferred qualifications: hardcore gamer, multi platform gaming experience is required, and experience moderating community forums. I'm going to provide the link in the description box. Interested candidates can definitely apply. Stay tuned to Job Creations.